What if I told you someone had the hiccups for 68 years straight? It sounds impossible, but it actually happened to a man named Charles Osborne. In 1922, he reportedly started hiccuping after lifting a hog that weighed around 350 pounds. After that moment, the hiccups just never stopped. At first, he was hiccuping about 40 times a minute, and even years later it was still around 20 times a minute. Doctors estimated he hiccuped more than 430 million times in his lifetime. Somehow, he still managed to live a normal life, get married, and even have kids. Then, in 1990, after nearly 7 decades, the hiccups finally stopped